Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you the best buy and sell settings for BullX. So if you want to create your account on BullX, then I have put my link down in the description. So you can use that link and you can create your account on BullX without having any problem of early access. Secondly, you will get 10% trading rebate if you use that link in order to create your account. Now, once you are on BullX, you will be able to see a bunch of different new pairs that you can trade over here. If you want to trade Pump Vision coin, then you can even click on Pump Vision, and over here you will be able to see all of the coins that you can trade. Now, for trading any of the meme coins, there is a best setting that I'm going to provide you in this video. So first, for example, let's say I want to purchase this particular coin. Here in the right hand section, you will be able to see the gas option. So you need to simply click on it, and here we have a bunch of different options, and I'm gonna give you the insight of all of the options one by one. To start, let's talk about the priority fee. So you will find this setting when you select a coin and head over to the gas settings option. As I said earlier, by default it is set on 0.01 sol, which is fine for regular traders, but if speed is crucial, I would recommend to raising it to 0.03 sol. The small increase can significantly boost your transaction speed when competition is high. Next, let's talk about the slippage. So Solana can be a pretty volatile coin, so setting up your slippage between 10% to 15% is ideal. By default it will be on 30%, so you just have to simply type 15 over here. If it is too low, like at 5%, you will likely experience failed transactions, especially with fast moving coins. However, if you find yourself losing money on trades, it could mean that you are being affected by MEV bots. So in this case, you need to consider lowering the slippage slightly or turning on the MEV protection. Speaking of MEV protection, this setting is great if you are experiencing repeated losses due to sandwiching attacks. So just remember, enabling it can show your transaction speed. So I personally keep it off to trade fast, but it's there if you need it. Now on to quick buy presets. You can even, for convenience, you can set the standard amounts like 0.5, 1 or 2 sol, so you can quickly execute the trades without retrying amount every time. To wrap things up, there is also an option called bribe fee, which is recommended setting to around 0.01. This helps ensure your transactions are prioritized without costing too much. And if you are just getting started with BullX, don't forget to check out the link that is given in the description for access. So that's the breakdown of my top BullX settings for faster, more reliable trades. Experiments with these and find what works best for you, and as always, keep adjusting as market conditions change. Thank you so much for watching. Happy trading. I will see you in the next one.